roi kapar jong kari. Ban kintiu ya ka jingpuli an syaka kerdan bakham syajrong ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala penyo ya ka Jaka na ka benta bante ya ka National Law University ha ka Jylla. Menteri Rangba keri Kongrat ke sangma henen kesngi ula Aiti no ya ka Jaka syaka National Law University ka Jylla but ya ka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy ha ka Shnong mau pedang mau hanu sya Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court but Chancellor jong ka National Law University Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. Ha ka jingkren jong Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ula ong ba ki Jaka puli bat ki Jaka a jing pentebit kim day ban long tangkum ki Jaka a jing hikai henrei ki day ban yatray lang ban a jing mut ya ka Sorkar.
Honorable Mr. Justice Hamarson, as thank you, Judge High Court.
We are all working towards building and ensuring that this institute would at the end contribute immensely to the state of Meghalaya and to the country as a whole. If a state like ours has to move forward and come into an area where we start looking at becoming more of a regenerative economy, it is only through development of human capital can we achieve it.
Ka joint action